Welcome back to the Ghana Travel and Event channel. In this video, we are visiting the famous Johor Bahru Kamlong Curry Fish Head. There will always be a long queue, especially on weekend. The location is very easy to find. If you come from Singapore, the location is very near Johor Bahru City Square Mall. That is opposite Malaysia Sultan Iskandar Custom. This Kamlong restaurant is specialized in selling curry fish head. So, you only choose fish head or fish tail, then the portion size. You can also add on rice, tauki, and extra veggie. You can see how they cook curry fish head directly. After around 45 minutes, finally we can have our seat. We order medium fish head curry, tauki, extra veggie, and rice for 3 persons. We waited another 15 minutes for the food to come. Look delicious, right? Actually, the curry with veggie itself already very delicious. Usually, it's one of the best curry that I have ever tasted. More information about Kamlong Curry Fish Head is in the description below. What do you think about Kamlong Curry Fish Head? Share with us in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to support our channel. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.